Hi guys, welcome back to the second video of Github series, and in today's video we would be learning how we can create a repository in our Github account. So let's hop in. From here you can see if I have opened my profile on Github and there is an option called repository. From here I would click this green button new. Then we would give a name to the Github repository. So it's really important because name would be reflected of the GitHub repository, and description is optional, but I would recommend you to write one if it's a big project or you are putting up the project for open source, so the people looking at your repository are able to understand what this repository holds and what sort of work I am the publisher of the repository is expecting from the people who are going to interact with my repository. So this description is up to you. If you want to write, it's okay, and if not, then we can go up to the next step. Now, after this writing the description and all stuff, if it's fine, we would go towards next thing, which is called public and private category. The public or repository would be available to the public, and private it would be just visible to us. It's always recommended that you add a readme file again, because it helps you to explain what your code holds and how your code is going to work and what your tech stack is. So as you see, our first repo has been created. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep using GitHub. Bye-bye.